Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by getting your images and USB ready. Plug a spare drive into your computer, format it to XFAT or FAT32, and create a folder named Images. Then copy your JPG or PNG photos into that folder. Choose images near 3840 x 2160 for best results, but smaller files work faster. Once done, safely eject the drive and move to your Ps5. This reduces compatibility issues and makes the console detect the pictures immediately when you continue. You'll insert the USB into a Ps5 port and open Media Gallery from the game library. This is where imported images appear. Next, select the USB tab, pick the image you want, and press Options, then set as Wallpaper to begin customization. Make sure to use the crop and zoom tools to frame the subject where you want it. This step matters because the Ps5 scales images differently across home and control center. After previewing, confirm to apply the wallpaper so it shows immediately. You'll finish by choosing whether to set the image for the home screen, control center, or both. Make your selection and apply it so the change takes effect instantly. If the image doesn't appear, make sure the USB is formatted correctly, files are in the Images folder, and you used JPG or PNG. Reconnecting the drive often fixes detection problems. If problems persist, reboot the Ps5 and try another USB device. This eliminates drive corruption or port issues and gets you back to a custom look quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.